Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for joining us again. We're back in the workshop. I know I keep saying we're going to finish the spanner, but in this episode, I mean for now, we actually are. Thank you so much first of all to everybody that commented helping with the Whitworth sizing. Really appreciate it. Loads of you had different answers, which yeah, is something to go through. It's given us a lot to go through and actually work through though, so I'm really grateful for everybody that has actually done the maths for us and worked it all out. So we're going to finish the spanner. We're going to do soldering today. We're going to be soldering the letters that we curved in the last episode onto the little half pipe. I've already started, but you're kind of joining me halfway. And you know, if you've seen any other videos and you've seen the repair shop, you know I'm not the best at soldering. I've had lessons from Pete and Brenton. We filmed a whole video where Pete was showing us some sort of like tips and learning how to solder.
It's taken a bit of time. Look at that.
It's beautiful. Never knew you were such a romantic.
We'll put a link to that video just up here. I wanted to solder them on instead of weld them just because. Do I need a reason? I just wanted to. I just thought it would look nice and I thought it would be quite a nice process to have a go at. So we're doing that, we're finishing the spanner, and there's also this in the background. We've got a bright yellow Ranelagh in the workshop, but we're not going to get distracted with that. I've got one, that's only the first coat. I've got another coat to go on there before we start with the final paint scheme. That's going to be next week's video, and there is a big surprise for that. I can't wait for you to see it. I'm so excited by that. But for now, let's get into the spanner. I've moved it down onto this other bench down the end because I need to clamp it down, so I've got the sort of fixture table holes. And I've got the roller shutter up. It's lovely. Bit of daylight in here. So you can see the letters as we had them last time. Clean up the backs. We rolled them through the roller to get them at that shape. Then they come over here to the tinning station. This, I will put my gloves on for goodness sake. This is tinning butter. So I'll heat this up, put a bit of flux over it, a bit of Baker's over it just to clean it, and then wipe over a bit of that with my little magic stick, and it will just coat the surface in a layer of tin. Basically tinning, that's why that's called tinning, that surface. Put it where it needs to go, in there. Clamp it down with my clamps, heat it up and solder it in place, and then add more solder. I'm very aware that because I've tinned the surface, if I clamp it down and heat it up, it should just stick. But every now and then there's little gaps here and there where it's not quite right, so I'm sort of filling it with extra solder. And I know I'm probably going to be putting way too much solder on, so save the comments. Don't have a go at me. I'm learning, okay?
I know you'd leave me to die on the road. I know you'd leave me out here in the cold. I know you'd leave me with a load of nothing to my name. And if you had a second chance, you'd do it again. You say I'm weak when I'm being kind. I'm ripping out pages, reading your mind. It takes two to tango, but I'm dancing on my own. Well, this loneliness, I was being alone. And those plans you're making will hold no shine. I don't care what you're taking, I've already got what's mine. If you had any sense, I think you'd agree that you're all out of patience, I'm all out of me. Time to cut my losses and cut all ties. Now there's crocodile tears in your lying eyes. And those plans you're making will hold no shine. I don't care what you're taking, I've already got what's mine. And those plans you're
Fettling the spanner.
Last few bits.
The gussets going in. This very easy shape.
Oh, it's in.
Well, it's resting. It's waiting for the metal guru Dom.
Final.
Wendy's here to help.
Yeah, obviously, she's letting everyone know. So we got to this point before, which was just that straight into there. Where's the actual spanner though? It's kind of got this little radius there that just bends out. So we're basically adding a plate on the top and the bottom, and then a little fill-in strip that's going to blend the two there. And then that's that bit going in there.
Yeah.
Looking good. And then
Yes.
the little letters, 7 1/16. This is the last day we've got to work on this spanner. So it's the last time you're going to see it. So for all of you that are sick of seeing these updates, this will be the last one.
No
Next
more.
week, we'll be painting that yellow ranela. 1 week left to go. So not long left before revival. So the spanner's finished today, then we'll be on to that.
Nice. Oh, nice. Is that just the end of your cup?
Right, that's the last of the lettering. Soldered on, done. It was very time consuming doing that on both sides as well, so it's completely double-sided, which again is probably slightly unnecessary for a sign that might end up against the wall, but hey, at least we know we've done both sides. We're going to hit fire up the welder, let's get that side little gusset welded in place, and then this side will be done.
Yes.
At least it's not rusty old metal.
Yes, that's good.
Now we need to tip him up.
Now we need to upend him. Oh, Johnny. Now we can see, right. Oh, I think that's
Exceptional.
Good shot.
Exceptional. John's been very secretive.
Rome wasn't built in a day, Dom. Come on then, come and zap this one.
Round we go.
It's only at this point you get a true...
It's getting heavier.
Yeah, it's getting heavy.
That is the end of a very long day and the end of the spanner. That's it. That's the last time you're going to see it until it's at Goodwood.
That is the end of the spanner.
This is the end, the big end of the spanner. You can probably see it's already going a bit rusty. I don't actually know the finish yet, but it will no doubt look old and a bit knackered, so that's all helping things. But last few bits to grind down and weld, then the spanner is finished. Wendy's over the moon, John's thrilled, John's got to go home. I'm going to stay and do the last few bits, and that's it. So the next episode, we'll be painting the Ranelagh with another special guest, not John. Thank you for watching. Leave us any comments below, any feedback. We'll see you next... Thanks, Wendy. We'll see you next week.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye.